Hey there! Thanks for checking out the channel. I'm Daniel, also known as Wray. I'm a limey Yankee redneck with an appetite to learn more about cars. I believe that there are some things more exciting than my day job in insurance. For me, that's automobiles. Growing up in the UK with 2p bus fares, lawnmower-sized engines, and tiny powerless cars, I'm looking to make up for lost time, picking up more powerful and fun vehicles along my vehicle ownership journey. This channel exists to share that journey with you, providing non-technical reviews, questionable driving, sloppier maintenance how-tos, and other miscellaneous auto-related features that seek to inspire you to pick up a wrench, drive the right car or cars for you, and advance your confidence and comfort around cars in general. If any of the above is something you're into, or think you could be, please consider subscribing and come along for the ride. Cheers, and we'll see you in the next video.